All right, last pack, everybody. Is there anybody who's still on the Schneid? Houston, right? Houston still on the Schneid, I think. Okay, for the Reds, we've got Johnny Cueto. For Detroit, we've got Miguel Cabrera. For the White Sox, we have Frank Thomas. For St. Louis, who seems to be getting a lot tonight. Oh, this is the gold base parallel, I believe, number to 25 of Stan Musial. I think that's the gold parallel that's number to 25 in the base cards. And our final card of the evening does not go to the Angels. It, in fact, goes to the Cincinnati Reds. It's the blue parallel auto. Tony Cingrani. So there you go. The blue parallel for the Reds. Okay, so thank you, everybody. Do you want to recap? Yeah, let's. Forrest, can I have a recap of the hits? Are these all the these all the base parallels? All right, so here are base parallels. Hits got the Musial out of 25. Jose Bautista for the Blue Jays out of 99. Buster Posey for San Francisco out of 50. Out of 75, the green parallel, Cliff Lee for the Phillies. And the orange parallel, Mike Trout out of 50. Are these harder to see now that they're in the top loaders? Probably a little harder to see. All right, and here are our... Okay, this one we still have to randomize. So we'll do that in just a minute. The Mariners, Orioles randomizer, Forrest reminded me. Okay, and then we'll start with our rip-off redemptions. I hate redemptions. Gio Gonzalez and Matt Kemp. And now we'll go through the hits. Here's the one that was too thick. The Mike Trout out of 24 prime patches relic, the super thick card. You want to run upstairs and get a magnetic for that, Forrest? Okay. Then we got our Reds, Tony Cingrani. Rockies, Carlos Gonzalez. Angels, Jared Weaver. George Brett for the Royals. Billy Buckner for the Cubs. Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers. Johan Santana for the Mets. Reds, Johnny Cueto. Dale Murphy, that's the Brewers. I'm sorry, not the Brewers, the Braves. San Francisco, Matt Cain. Angels, Mark Trumbo. That was the one that was numbered out of 15. So that's a real nice card. Salvador Perez for the Royals. Got Justin Verlander for Detroit. What was that out of? Was that 99? For the Yankees, we got the A-Rod. That is a nice card out of 10. 4-bagger relics card. For the Dodgers, Matt Kemp. For the Cardinals, David Freese. For the Pirates, Starling Marte. Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers. For the Royals, we got Billy Butler. And Carlos Ruiz for the Phillies. And there you have it. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Now I have another case of Topps Tribute on the way. The break is going to run exactly when it did this week, ending between 7:30 and 8 p.m. next Wednesday. Same configuration, 4 boxes, sealed case, team start at $19.99. Hopefully we'll do the break that night if we can. Otherwise it'll get pushed off to 8 o'clock tomorrow, the next day. So it's running the same exact time next week. Oh, the random. Thank you. The random. All right, let's do that. Let's do where's my iPad? Here it is. All right. So here's what we're going to do. I am going to go to random.org. Random.org. I'm going to choose the list randomizer. I'm going to put in the two teams, which are the Mariners and the Orioles. Okay, so you can see it there. I've entered the two teams. Can you read that? I'm not sure if you can read it. Okay, and then I'm going to hit randomize. This is just a test. This does not count. Okay, so there they were just randomized via random.org. Can you guys see the results? Okay. And in that case, it was the Orioles was the one that came up. Now I'm going to hit it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And when I say 3, that's the one that counts. Okay? So 1, 2. This next one is the one that counts. 3. And so it goes to the Mariners. And there you have it. So that's the way we do it. Goes to the Mariners. Okay. In addition to, I'm almost positive that next week is going to be my last break of the Topps Tribute. They're kind of running out, and I'm ready to move on to Topps Museum. I have ordered a 12-box case of Topps Museum that I will get the day it arrives at the dealer, which allegedly is going to be May 17th, Friday, May 17th, maybe Wednesday the 15th, but they've delayed it like 4 times. So I am not going to start the auctions until I have the cards. It just doesn't make any sense because they've delayed it 4 times. It was originally supposed to come out in March. So the moment I get the cards, I will start a box break. I'm thinking, I could do the whole 12 box, but that would be expensive. I'd have to start it at like $39. So I'm thinking I'll do it in halves. I'll do 6 boxes 1 week and then 6 boxes the next week, and so that I can start them at $19.99. That'll be the 2013 Topps Museum, which also has a hit in every pack. So that will be nice. And the nice thing about getting the case is there are some guarantees inside the case. So that'll be cool. Yeah, you think I should do them all? Full case. Would you be willing to start bidding at $40? They're expensive. You know, I could take a bath. Well, drop me a line and give me your opinion about how I should do the museum. Like I said, I'm thinking half and half, and then if it goes well, I'll get another case, and we can do a whole case after that. You know, I'll keep getting them as long as the breaks keep going well. So there you go. Thank you all very much for tuning in tonight. Sorry we couldn't do the break live last night. That's always the way I prefer to do it. But hopefully you understand. I've gotten ripped off in the past from people who swore to me they were going to pay. So I really have to wait till everybody pays. And I'm glad it worked out that everybody did pay. But sorry it had to be the next day. Forrest, want to wave goodbye? Oh, there he is. There's Forrest waving goodbye. So yes, thank you for your help. Hope to see everybody next time. Keep an eye out on your emails for the announcements, and keep an eye out for the next auction ending Wednesday at 7:30. Thanks, everybody.